Hello, everyone. What I'm going to show you today is how to add your book to Amazon A+ content, which is a great way to help to promote your book that Amazon offers at no extra charge than what you're already paying as your fees or percentage that Amazon gets for you to with book sales. And so I'll start by sharing screen here. Okay, here we have Amazon app, and I have a number of books here that I've done. And you just go to marketing, and then you have some options. You could go to Amazon ads for paid advertising. Author Central is for your Amazon author page. And then here you can run a price promotion. You can nominate your ebooks for Kindle deals or Prime Reading. And they also have other marketing resources such as pre-order and gifting for Kindle and Kindle Instant book previews, excuse me. And so here with A+ content, you just choose your marketplace. Okay, so now since I haven't marketed any of my books in France with A+ content, and I do have books that are written in French, I'll choose France, and then you click on Manage A+ content. Okay, it'll ask you to log in. So even if you don't know the language, you can figure it out based on what you usually would put in Amazon. Rester connecté just means stay connected. Okay. Okay. Now I'm in it. Okay. So now the first thing I'll have to do is to create my content, and I can also show auto create content too here, but the first thing I'm going to do is create my content. So okay, so let's say I go actually okay, let me see. Yep, I'll go Donna Magazine and then start creating A+ content. You can add a module. Okay, so here are some templates to use. I like using this one with the doggy, and the image has to be 970 to 600. And I think I do have that image already, but I'm going to go to Be Funky and just make sure. So that was 970 by 600. I'm just going to use Be Funky here, which is a photo editor. And just quickly edit that. Okay. Just got to log in first. Okay. All right. Now edit a photo. Okay. Start new. Okay. Now use the computer. Okay. I'm going to use one of my thumbnails. Use one of my thumbnails. Use that one. And that's from my magazine, 970 by 600. So I want to resize it and not lock the aspect ratio. So 970 by 600. Okay, then just click on apply. Okay, now I have my version there. Okay, so this is my Amazon A+ content image. Okay, so just save that to my downloads. Okay, once it's saved, I like to wait till it's saved, even though I know you don't have to. I'm going to just keep that up just in case I may need it again. So then now I'm just going to get that image from my downloads there. Okay, it does seem to fit. Keywords, I'll just put Donna Magazine there. And then add that. Enter headline, I'll just put Donna Magazine. Okay, and headline text, I'll just put Donna Magazine. And I'll just put great books. That should be okay. You do have to be careful with this to make sure it'll pass. Okay, now next apply ASINs. Oh, content name. Okay, so Donna Magazine, it may have been lost there. Now apply ASINs. Okay, so now I want to go to, I can actually even go inside Amazon and get the ASINs that I need. Okay, Amazon KDP. So I'll just open another one of them up here. I'm going to keep this one on this side because that makes a bit more sense to me. Okay, now log in here again. Okay, so now what I want to look for, let's see if I can search this way. Okay, see if any, okay, so this one comes up. Okay, and the ASIN is right there. Okay, so all you need to do is copy and paste it and then put it here. Okay, it'll come up and then you just go apply content. Okay, so let's see what else they've got. Then they've got this ASIN. Okay, I'm just gonna put that there and then go do that. Apply content, make sure it takes. Okay. All right, when you see it jump, you'll know it took. It's the one that's French. No, but this one is. Okay. All right. Now put that there. Apply ASIN. When it jumps, you'll know it took. Sometimes you got to press it more than once just to make sure it takes. Or you can look below and make sure it took. Yep, it just seemed to take. No, it didn't take. Maybe there's something I forgot to do there. Okay. Oh, I didn't click on that. Okay, all right, I see what happened there. Okay, it took. Okay, you can always scroll down to the bottom and make sure what you want is there. Okay, this one I can add to the French store. Okay. All right, so it'll search the ASIN when it comes up, click on it, and then apply content. When you see it jump, it's applied. Okay, now this one as well I can add. Okay. Okay, there it is. And then apply content. Okay, anything else? Okay, that seems to be everything. I do have this book in French. So I'm actually going to see if I can find that book in French. So I'll search for that book and see what comes up because it has the same title in French. Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay, I can't tell which one is the French one. Which one is the French one? But I would take a guess that since this one is more expensive for the paperback, that's probably the French one. So I'm going to try and add that too. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I've added that as well. Then you just go to review and submit for approval. Okay. All right. So then I'm going to now, if you want to add in a different marketplace. Like I also have some books written in Spanish. So I'm going to try going to the Spanish one, open marketplace. Okay, so it's opening now. And see this one again, same thing. If you don't know the language all that well, you can still figure it out based on that. Just means stay connected, start session. Okay. Okay, so it starts with nothing there. So I'm just gonna click on start creating content. Okay, go Donna Magazine there. Okay, same idea. I use the same module. Just go Donna Magazine here. Okay, I can use that very same image that I've just already created. Image keywords, just do that. Okay, so that's done. Okay, Donna Magazine. Okay, just put great books. That should be understood even in Spanish. Okay, so that part's done. Make sure that's there. And then next, apply ASINs. Okay, now try Siete because I have a book that's definitely in Spanish. Okay, that's in Spanish. Okay. All right, then apply that content. Okay, then I have another one, como. Oh, it's not there. Isn't that weird? Okay, maybe habla. Oh, that's weird. Okay, let me try Spanish. See, just that comes up. I'm surprised those books aren't there. Okay, how to talk to crazy people. See what comes up. 10 per page. I do have that book in Spanish. I'm surprised it's not coming up. Okay, your titles. Series title, all titles. All titles. Yeah, it was all titles for that search. Okay, hablar, I'm sure. Let's try como. Search that doesn't. Let me try just CO and see if anything comes up. Maybe too wide a search. Yeah, that was too wide a search. Okay, let me try just HA. See what comes up. Okay, just 2 pages at least. No, it didn't come up. It didn't come up. Okay. All right. Okay, I don't know why I should. I guess I'm gonna have to make a note to publish those books to Amazon, but it didn't publish. Or it's not there, which is why I was wondering why my book count was lower than I knew it was. So, but that should at least show you how to add content to Amazon A plus. So I hope that was helpful and it actually showed me something I need to do with my Amazon books. Okay, please have a great day.